Hello, everyone. Welcome to THCV podcast, the Happy Camper Van. It's not quite a van, and it's definitely larger than a Sprinter. This is going to turn into, I don't know how long of a project, and you're not going to see much until we're done. But I'll put some pictures in. This is a 1996 Toyota Coaster R. Had it shipped from Japan. Just got it 2 days ago. I've been driving it, not much, about 3-4 hours. It's right-hand drive, so it is definitely different, and everything is in Japanese. I had to climb in like Santa through a window. Well, he goes for the chimney, and I'm not exactly built for that. Used to be able to do it, no problem, but nowadays, finally figured out how to get that opened up, the front door. Refrigerator's working. Well, it's a freezer actually, and it kicks butt. Backup cameras, all the lights, everything. I figured out everything. But the radio, which I'm throwing away anyway, backup camera works, but the quality's crap compared to what we have today. I'll be putting security cameras on here. I have some really nice metal Sony point-to-zoom types that we'll be putting out on the mirrors. Have one mirror over here, one mirror over here, and has no blind spots, which this thing drives like a dream. This is what you want if you're building an RV. VanLife is great, but let's really live in style. So we're going to dump some money into this. We will be filming it. We will not be showing, maybe we'll sneak one or two in. But for the most part, we're not going to show anything until we're all done. And I'm going to reach out to somebody specific and do a tour, van tour, whatever you want to call it. And that will be the, quote, release party. We have two names for it. One is Emerald Ace, and the other is the Magic Bus. So if you would, vote down below which you think is the most appropriate. This is, again, a 1996 Toyota Coaster R. It's diesel, rear motor, so it's nice and quiet when you drive. Suspension's amazing. It's airbag suspension. I've been dreaming of this for two and a half years. I've been researching it. We're going to have hydronic system in it. I'm not going to go into everything we're going to put into it. You're going to have to wait for it to be done. I could do this the old artisan way and build it all piece by piece from scratch. But every time I turn around, I got somebody asking me to sell it, and we may be found accidentally a business model. So I'm actually not in California where I normally am. I'm in Oregon right now. I just came back from Washington, and I'm getting ready to take this out to South Dakota to do the build because it's the most RV-friendly state. And California sucks for... This is a diesel. They're going to crucify me just driving through town. California's going to hell. I hate to say it. It's turned into California or something. It's like they lost their minds. Anyway, so we're going to go out to South Dakota. Probably take a month, 2 months, maybe 3 months. We're doing it all in the computer, CNC. I've worked as a blacksmith. I've worked as a prototyper for Logitech and Cisco systems. I got the skills to be able to do something really badass. I've done finished cabinetry. I've made tons of stuff. I'm really good with wood. And I'm a geek. So there will be some Raspberry Pi stuff inside of this. There will be some accessing of the GPIOs on the Raspberry Pis to control things. Security system, walkable roof. We're going to take right back behind here, I think, somewhere, and have a small little ladder. This right here is the freezer. And I'll have... Mostly everything will be electric. Everything's going to be modular. It'll have a shower. I looked at incinerating toilets, but they're like $6,000. And I'm like, you got to be shitting me. That's some expensive shit. I'm not going to do that. But we're going to go for a modified composting toilet. Solids will turn around and get composted, and all of the liquids will get diverted off into a smaller tank that will turn around and get dropped off into the tail of the exhaust system where they'll be evaporated. So very small gray tank. Looking at probably a minimum of 50 to probably 100-gallon fresh tank, and a lot of LEDs, a lot of use of magnets, a lot of, copper sinks. It's going to be high end. You're going to like this. Bamboo. It's going to be dope. So check out the channel and let me know what you think for the name. Do we go for Emerald Ace, or is this the Magic Bus? It's a beautiful shade of green. I found one that was blue, which I really fell in love with, but the motor wasn't as good. And if you don't got a good motor, who cares what you got? This is a diesel 4-cylinder, 5.3 liter. It has a massive alternator on it. It's a 24-volt system. We're going to be putting super bumping audio in it, 40-inch monitor, a 24-inch monitor, several monitors, computer workstation. Wait, I'm giving away part of the secrets. I can't do that. You're going to have to stay tuned. I think maybe what we'll try to do, the first month is going to be design, so we'll do a little release like once a month. We're not going to show much until it's done, and then we'll turn around and do a full walkthrough, but then we'll also show you how we went about doing it. We'll also take and put out there, if you wanted to do this yourself, what is the steps? How do you get it through customs? Where do you you can ship $20,000 over to anybody in some country. They'll tell you you're going to get whatever you're looking for. Probably a Nairobian princess or something, or it seemed like fraud for the first 3 months that we waited for it to come in. But driving it now, and let me tell you, it is well worth the wait. You're going to love this. I'll put some pictures here at the end, maybe one at the very beginning of this when I edit it. And check us out. We're on YouTube, and we're on Rumble and Odyssey. Not going to do much on YouTube because I don't believe in rewarding bad actors. But I do have a channel up there that I put stuff up on for THCV, which initially was going to be truth here, history and conspiracy videos. And they'll still dabble a little bit in the crazy stuff. I love geopolitics. But for now, this is how you live your best life. I plan on traveling all around the United States. Probably outside the United States, too. Because if it's got a road, that's the idea here. If you don't like your neighbor, start it up and drive away. Anyway, take care. Let us know down below what you think for the name. Is this the Emerald Ace, or is this just the Magic Bus? Take care. Please like and subscribe if you would. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless.